Hey everybody, we are on to lesson 8. So you have come so far, I feel like going on to the 8th week. We have gone for 2 months, and that is a great accomplishment. And I think it's wonderful that you all show such perseverance to get through, even when it's not the easiest, and your schedule can sometimes be crazy. Um, I'm not sure why. I feel like my screen looks funny here. The lighting. Okay, this week it's on informational literacy, as I cover that, and academic resources. So when you write, you'll use this a lot in future classes, writing research papers especially. And so it's very helpful and beneficial. Um, and to learn different tips and tricks to finding information and look at what different learning resources BYU Idaho has. So there's lots of things that you may not know exist that would be helpful. I wish I would have learned earlier in my college career how to find useful information. So learning it early on so that you can use it in all your classes is great. Let me just walk through the application activity like I always do. Okay. Sorry, I have something in my throat. Okay, what you will do here, think about everything that you learn. So you'll learn some things in your pre-gathering folder assignments about information literacy and academic resources. Then number 2, the task is to choose a topic. This is listen up. Okay, everyone listen. This is something that I almost always have at least one student not see this step, that it needs to be a topic that we have discussed in an earlier lesson from this course. Okay, so remember, a topic that we have discussed either in lesson 2 or 3, 4 or 5 or 6 or 7. That's something we've discussed that you want to learn more about. So don't pick, you want to learn more about the solar system or how to eat healthy or something of that sort. It needs to be something we have learned. If you want to click on content and look at the list of topics that we've gone over, you can do that. Once you decide one topic that you want to learn more about, you're going to go to this website that's right here. It is Deseret News. It's a newspaper in Salt Lake. You'll click there and you'll go and search in the search engine for information on that topic you want to learn more about. And you'll, like it says here, you'll read a short article of your choosing from your search results. So you pick an article from Deseret News' website. And once you have that article picked, the questions in the application activity template will help you see what you need to do. So I will download that real quick. Okay. As you look here, look at the directions. I want you to watch this. Write 2 to 3 sentences. So I will give full points if there are at least 2 sentences. If you have only 1 sentence, then some points get deducted. To answer each question. So number 1, 2, 3, I need at least 2 sentences. It says in your own words. So don't copy the article. Pick out the most important things and put them into your own words. Kind of you as if you were telling what it's about. Type your own words. And make sure, last week we had an assignment where you had to have the article title included. So it might be in the article, and then tell us the title of the article. The author, Bob Larson, wrote about, and then tell us. So that's what you'll do right here. Do you agree with the concepts that were presented in that article? Do you agree with the author? Then don't just say yes or no. So you would say yes, get rid of that Y, yes, comma, because, and then I would write something, okay? So I'm just doing gibberish. Because I need to tell why I agree, or if I don't, if it's no, then I would tell why, okay? And then you would decide, is this article a reliable source? And then you'll answer some of these other questions about once you do some research on the author. Sometimes you need to know who that author is to decide if they're a credible source. Are they someone that I can trust and that I think has valuable information that can be used? And then you'll have questions about the article. When was it published? So you'll need to do a little investigating on that as you read the article, look through to try to find who do you think the article was for? Who do you think they were trying to target? Who's their audience? Is it requiring current information? So when it has these ones like yes or no, you won't need 2 to 3 sentences because it just wants a yes or no answer. But all the others, I need at least 2 sentences. So I hope you find that it's helpful, that you learn things that you didn't know about searching for information and knowing if a source is reliable. There's so much out there now, and some of that is fake or unreliable. We want to make sure you are using reliable sources in future papers that you have to write or future work you do in classes. So enjoy that, and I really think you'll see great things happen this week and great learning. So I'm here for you, and I'm cheering you on. You're doing great. Bye, everyone.